Let's move on to the next verse of the Quran, which talks about the prayer. Again, something which is very meaningful. So it says it's a means of procuring God's nearness. It says, Wasjud Waqtarib, prostrate and attain my nearness. It's also a beautiful feeling. And I think if you realize that when you are prostrating, when you're in your prostration, you feel so relieved. You have this sense of calmness in you, and you feel that you're closer to God. And in fact, this is what God says, that if you have to come close to me, prostrate before me. So prostration means to go into sajda. When you are praying, you do sajda, but it's not that you just do sajda while you're praying. You can just do sajda on the prayer mat even when you're not praying. You can just do, and for this, wuzu is also not required. You can just do sajda on your, if it's a clean piece of a clean surface, maybe a carpet, maybe your a floor, maybe on a grass. So this is a feeling that all of you would have when you place your forehead on the ground, and the Almighty says that physically you're placing your forehead on the ground, and spiritually you are the closest to me. So it brings you closer to God. It brings you closer to your own reality. Because remember, we all started off with the clay. Our forefather Adam and Eve. They were made out of clay, and we began with clay. And when we place our head on the ground, we actually acknowledge that we are being created by God. We have been created by Him. We are humble human beings, and we acknowledge His greatness. So uh, do try this. That whenever you feeling low, or you would like to draw closer to God, even if you don't have wuzu, on a prayer mat, on a piece of paper, or any cloth maybe, or even the grass, even on the floor, even on the ground, just kneel, just go into prostration, just do sajda, and you'll feel that relief, and you'll feel as if that you're coming closer to God.